Hey guys, I'm giving this a go. I'm actually sitting in a hotel room of all places at the moment, on a course with SES. So here we go. I'll get as many done as I can. All right, draw the graph of y equals minus 2x minus 1. So what we're doing here is we're actually going to use the table of values. So we're going to choose some values to put in there so that we can find out what the y values are and then plot it. So we're going to, as we normally do, choose numbers that are nice and easy for us. So doing this a long way, we're going to do y equals minus 2 times 0 minus 1. So that's when x equals 0. We're then going to do it for x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals minus 1, and x equals minus 2. So you don't have to do all of this work. You can just work it out and put it in using a calculator. But I'm just going to write it down for the first one and see how we go. So we've got minus 2 times 0 is 0, minus 1. So my answer there is minus 1. Next one, I'm going to do y equals minus 2 times 1, minus 1. So minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 will give me minus 3. If y equals 2, I've got, if x equals 2, I've got minus 2 times 2, minus 1. So minus 2 times 2 is minus 4, minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5. And then we'll do the next ones. Y equals minus 2 times minus 1, minus 1. So minus 2 times minus 1 will give me 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Last one, we've got y equals minus 2 times minus 2 minus 1. So it would give me positive 4 minus 1 would give me 3. So I've now got my table of values with all my ordered pairs. Now all I do is I go and plot these. So the first one is minus 2, 3. So I go across, zooming in, go across to minus 2 and down to 3. And there it is. Then the next one, I go across to minus 1 and down to 1, which will give me that point. Next one is 0 minus 1 there. 1 minus 3. You know what? I hope you guys have all gone, hang on, you're an idiot. You're doing it the wrong way. Let's try again. Minus 2, 3. So minus 2 and up to 3. Minus 1 and 1. Look, it's late. I'm tired. 0 minus 1, which is there. 1 minus 3, which is there. And 2 minus 5, which would be down here, but we don't have space for it. So that's what it looks like. And so we would then draw a line through those points using a ruler. And there you go. We have now drawn the graph of minus 2x minus 1. Okay. Hope that helps.